clouds soft and white, lived a small raindrop gleaming in light. He dreamed of adventure, of rivers and seas, of dancing through meadows and tickling trees. "I'm bored up here," he cried one day. "I want to go down, splash, giggle and play." The wise old cloud said, "Wait for your time, each drop must fall in nature's rhyme." Then one dark morning with thunder sound, he twirled and tumbled, falling down through chilly winds and skies so wide. He zipped and zoomed in a water slide. He landed first on a bright green leaf, then slipped to a roof, oh what relief! He joined with others in a babbling stream, flowing through forests, a watery dream. He helped the flowers get their drink, made ponds for ducks to swim and sing. He cooled hot roads on summer days and shimmered in the sun's warm rays. At last he reached the great blue sea. Wow, he cheered, "Just look at me!" But the sun peeked out with a warming glance and pulled him up in a steamy dance. He rose again, a vapor so light, back to the clouds glowing bright. He smiled and said, "Now I see there's a purpose in the path for